Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer brand patterns into Adobe Illustrator swatches, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Create a new document by selecting File and then New. Import your brand pattern into the document by selecting File and then Place. Navigate to the folder containing your pattern file. Select the file and click Place to import it into Illustrator. Once the pattern is in the workspace, adjust its size if needed. Use the selection tool to click on the pattern. Open the Swatches panel by going to Window and then Swatches. In the Swatches panel, click on the new swatch icon at the bottom. A dialog box will appear, showing the color options for your pattern. Check the preview box to see your pattern's colors. Make sure Global is checked to create a global swatch. Click OK to save the new swatch. Now, your pattern appears in the Swatches panel. To apply it, select any shape or object you want to fill. Click on the pattern swatch you just created to fill the object. You can adjust the pattern size by using the Transform tool or the Scale option. To edit the pattern, double-click on the swatch in the Swatches panel. Make your adjustments, and then click OK to save the changes. Your updated pattern will reflect on all objects using that swatch. Finally, save your document to preserve your work. You have successfully transferred your brand patterns into Adobe Illustrator swatches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.